One of the biggest lessons we have learned over the past year and a half with the COVID outbreak is how important our health is.
Well, that's why we've invited Lauren Huckleberry Acosta to our show this morning. She's the president of Acosta Heating, Cooling, and Electrical, and she's here to tell us ways we can improve our health right inside our own home. Hello, and welcome to the show. How are you doing?
Thank you for having me. I'm doing great.
So with COVID-19, breathing clean air has become more important than ever. It's especially important for people with allergies, asthma, respiratory issues, and things like that, and also the elderly.
Absolutely, yeah. So sometimes it's surprising for people to hear that the air inside their home is some of the most polluted air, but our homes are built so tight, we're not exchanging air. And so we have two products that we work with that do a great job at being able to eliminate and kill viruses and make the air inside your home healthier to breathe.
Well, let's talk about the products, and let's talk about Phenomenal Air. That's one of the products that kind of helps the air quality, correct?
Absolutely, and what's neat is it's actually made in Indian Trail, so it's a local product too.
Okay.
Yeah, so it works in conjunction with the filters that you have in your home. It's just an additional thing that helps to produce ions and help to deactivate viruses. And so it's a really easy product to add on to what you already have in your home.
Amazing. And then the other one you recommend is the Lennox Pure Air, correct?
Yep. And so that's just a much more advanced filtration system. And so it replaces the filters that you regularly change at the grills, and it's a whole indoor air purification system.
And when we talk about the air quality, what are we talking about? We're talking about like smog, dust, and all those type of things?
Yeah. So like the Pure Air in particular, right? It can filter things down to 0.1 micron. And to give you an idea of what that size is, 1 micron is like the size of a human hair. So it can filter down to the 10th of 1 micron.
That is incredible. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
So we're heading into some cooler weather now. So why is this a good time to get our furnace checked out?
Absolutely. So in the summertime, if your air conditioner conks out, it is a problem because you're just hot, right? But in the wintertime, especially when we're dealing with gas heat, if it is not functioning properly, it can really be dangerous to the people inside the home. You can produce carbon monoxide, and it's what everybody calls the silent killer because you can't smell it, you can't see it, and so one of the biggest things that we do when we come out and do those heating safety checks is just to make sure everything inside the home is safe to operate.
Okay, you have a September special. What is it?
We do, yeah. So in September, it's like our early bird special. So for those that call us in September, we'll come out to do that heating safety check for just $59.
Right, and another safety check here is the carbon monoxide detectors and the batteries, right?
Absolutely. So carbon monoxide detectors and smoke detectors, it's just super important to make sure those batteries are safe. And carbon monoxide detectors themselves have an expiration date on them. They're usually they do. So they're usually only good for about 5 years, and then you do need to replace them. Doesn't matter if the batteries are fresh or not. The filament inside of them is only good for about 5 years.
Wow.
I'm learning so much today.
I know. Thank you, Lauren.
Absolutely.
Oh my goodness. Indeed.
Absolutely.
Thank you for being here.
Sure.
All right. Your home should be a comfortable and safe place for you and your family. So visit AcostaInc.com. Lauren, once again, thank you very, very much.
Absolutely.